I can do these things in my personal macro file, but I'm going to do on this one. Pick your file, insert a module. First, I'm going to write a few kind of utility functions. Function for X transform. If you look at the inputs, spot price, interest rate, and volatility. Okay. Oh, there's something else. Just a second. I didn't type it there, but we should have a T over there. That should be not delta T, but T. So let me write that on my notes today. I think. Let me make sure. Yeah, delta T. It should be T. T. Okay. So I need the time as an input as well. And those capitalizations don't matter. I'm doing it for the purpose of identifying possible spelling errors. Because I type everything in lowercase. If I type it correctly, it reverts to that spelling. And I spot minus I rate minus 0.5 times I sigma square times I time, and the whole thing divided by sigma. For some reason, it didn't accept the squaring, but that's fine. I'm gonna need another utility one, function PV continuous. After we calculate the expected values at a given node, we're going to calculate their present value. So actually, that's going to be pretty much the same. What else do I need? This is a function that's going to calculate how much a given call option is in the money. If I spot is greater than I strike, then I call money is equal to I spot minus I strike, else I also wanted to do this, to show which one is to show this if structure. I'm gonna need another one. When we're dealing with American options, at each node, we're gonna calculate value of the option if you are to hold on to the option, and we're gonna compare it to value of the option if you actually exercise it. And value of the option on that node is the maximum of the two. So let's call it I American exercise is I call money I spot I strike. Actually, let's do this. This is the value if the option is exercised. So if I value, if I American exercise is less than I value, then I American exercise equals I value. When you're doing only the if part, you don't need the else part, because it says if this is true, execute that statement, otherwise don't do anything. Because otherwise I'm going to actually have, if this condition is not true, American exercise is greater than or equal to I value. That means exercise the option. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and I'm doing this for call option. As a homework assignment later, I'm going to give you guys to do it for a put option. You just have to modify it.